Hello and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to share you how you can sign up for Canva. And so what is a Canva? Canva is a design tool that with the help of Canva you can design your YouTube thumbnails, you can make your presentation, you can design your brochures, and even you can make a small videos for Twitter, X, or your Insta account. So let me show you its introduction so you can easily understand what is Canva is. So how you can sign up in Canva? For this you have to go on a Canva. If we go for a pricing section, we found there are two versions, Pro and Free. If we talk about Pro, then we have some extra features like editing, some extra templates that are available for a professional version. If you are good at editing and you can design your own templates or modify your templates, then there is no need for a pro version. But if you want to access unlimited resources, then you have definitely go for a pro version. So for example, if I sign up with my pro version, so what is the difference? So I am logging with my pro versions and I have a lot of templates that are considered to be a pro. So pro version has some extra features like you can edit images. That features are not available in a free, that you can remove the background. So these and some amazing templates. At the time of recording this video, the Canva Pro is available $54.99 USD for a one person for a 1 year. And if I go for a monthly, then $6.49 USD per person, the Pro version is available. So if you are a student or a educator or a teacher, then you can also access Canva Pro. Here are some eligibility. Then if you have that fulfill that eligibility, then you can access Canva Pro for a free. Now I'm going to sign up screen. For sign up, you have to go and click on this sign up button, and here are two options. Either you have to go for your email, and then from email you can confirm back and set your password. If I click on another way, and then I have a multiple options. In with my Apple ID, I can log in with my Google. It also provides the functionality to log in with my Facebook account, and even I have Microsoft D365 account. I can log in with respect to that, and even still I have access with the normal email or with work email, or even I can sign up with my mobile or phone number. So I'm going to log in with my Google account, and it asked me that either I want to use this sign up account that I used in my Google, in my Chrome sign up. I click on OK. It asked me some sign up Google account agreements or something account, and I click on continue. So my account is login with, you can see my Google account is signed up. So if I go and click on a Canva, so my sign up account is registered. See here it is a free version, and Canva encourages us to upgrade into a pro version. Thank you for watching. In the next video I will go and explain the environment of a Canva and how you can edit your first design. Did not subscribe my YouTube channel, please subscribe. See you in another video.